Hello. Oops. Pabalik na kami sa hotel. First vlog ay gutom na kami masyado. Ang funny, kasi naghanap kami ng kainan na authentic Thai. Tapos pinasukan lang namin yung pinakamaraming tao. So, it's Burmese food. But they have Thai, para Thai fusion. Oh, into the one. This is a cafe. Yeah. But, like, we're walking to our hotel na. Shit, ang dilim. Super pagod na ako. Pero, night market pa daw kami. Hindi ko pa nagawa paper ko kay Sir Ayo. Kapit ko yung isang dapat ko lang kain. Patak ba? Sayang ang pera. Hotel din ba ito? So we're walking distance lang yung dati namin hotel dito pala. Yung Center Point. And it's even closer dun sa 19 Seafood place and other places. Hindi namin napuntahan yun kasi hindi kami na-explore ni Mama. Parang, kasi to be fair, we had an itinerary nun. Okay. Yeah. Thai guy something. I don't know, but it's just a Burmese Thai fusion place. Ayun na, hotel na kami. Yes. Hotel room tour later. Yeah. I don't know, but it's just a Burmese Thai fusion place. Sure, London, we're back. Let's go. Mini 7-Eleven mukbang kasi pinagbawalan niya akong bumili ng masyadong maraming pagkain dahil siya daw mag-vlog.
So, sila sa ano, before you guys go?
Yeah. Hindi, sila pupunta dito. Okay, mga binili namin. Look. Cinnamon roll water. So cute.
Did you know what to smoke?
And a Hello Kitty. No.
Did you smoke?
No, I didn't. I just wanted to go. Dad, gutom na kayo? Asking if I smoke weed. I didn't. I bought lactasoy.
Masarap yan.
Kasi milk.
Yan
So, try natin. No. Video.
Di ba gusto niyo pa po yan?
So, I bought lactasoy. And I'm gonna taste it. So, apparently it's good, but I don't know.
May tom yum dyan.
Wait, nasasarap siya sa Vitamilk.
Di ba? Yan yung dyan kami everyday gininom namin yan nung nag-aaral kami dito.
Masarap.
Masarap din yung black sesame.
So, hindi pa ako tumatay the whole day. And then, bumili kami. Kasi may Tobiko. Ebiko pala, shrimp eggs. 7-Eleven, I don't know. And they have this sushi. Wakame and Ebiko. So,
May rice dyan.
kainin natin to.
Bukas na lang mamaya yung ano.
Masarap ba? Yeah, fish. Oh, it's not a lot, but it's fine.
Ibo na sila ano. Naka 7-Eleven na sila.
Dahil?
She's got 7-Eleven.
Okay, I don't know how to take this out. Where's number 1? Oh, wait, here. Open. And then here. And then I think, oh, I'm showing everyone it. Here. How do I do this? Like,
Cool.
ikaw nga. I want to open this.
So, itong street food, andyan sila till yan?
Oh,
Yeah.
I think so.
Marami lang seats daw lang.
Can I have a spoon?
What is this?
Ito lang one.
Other eating.
Walang one.
Lalo ko na one.
Ay, ito rin.
Maybe after we eat, we'll go with you guys.
Well, you might be tired.
I got energy now.
Kaya pa mo lang kumain. Pero madaming masajan nga doon eh. Madaming pag-masajan.
Ano sweet?
Everywhere you go, mayroong hot stone nakalagay. Free
What
hot
kind of
stone.
smoke zone? Did you see?
No, pero
Ang
ang
dami
dami mo gabi.
Hmm?
Nadaanan lang namin, nalanghap na namin lahat.
Ang daming different.
Yung tinaas.
Maraming lounges?
Yeah.
Mandarin.
Yung pad thai. Sabi ng mga Mama. Ano ba yun? Hindi ko na alam. Saan yung
Dito mo
pork?
picture?
I think I just remove it and let's just re-roll.
Okay.
Just don't tear it. Oh my god, it's...
Pati
Kaya
hindi
na.
na. Yung plastic dapat. Okay.
May na?
Yeah, yan. Yung plastic.
I'll just put this
Wala,
on.
on cam.
Sorry, I don't know how to
Pero
do
mo lang kasi lahat. Nag-edit ako ng videos. Sana. Hopefully.
Pretend hindi nyo nakita yung flopera. Okay. And then, wala kami nung Caesar salad thingy,
I
but...
don't like Caesar.
So we're just gonna dip it here sa tobi ko. Fuck! May side. Actually, I'm not gonna dip them. May?
Oh.
Siyempre center point. Okay. Ooh! Look at that. Okay. Okay.
Sarap.
It's sweet.
Da.
Kasama ko yun. Na sweet.
Tapos ano yung mga picture na pinalo niya mga sampalok?
Sampalok? Anong sampalok?
Ayun sila. No? I like it. I wanna pile on the tobi ko.
Magtugtog na daw tayo mamaya pag si JJ.
Ay, shit.
Malapit na. I don't know. Fish head.
Ano ito?
Ang sarap.
Kaya na ng kain.
Ayaw mo na. Gusto mo lang ito.
Haluan ko mga rice.
Dami daw kasi doon sabi ni JJ po. Pero, nagpa-picture pa nga ano eh.
Sana dito mga to? This.
Yung isa.
Na.
Actually.
Dami makain.
Dami alam na madami yung serving.
Tama.
Ano? Kanin. Saan yung kanin? Ay, wala yung ano. Saan yung kanin?
Ay, hindi naman tira yung fishbone tas yung ano, yung rice.
Yung rice. Hindi. Pwede lang yan.
Ito ang order niya sa
So
amin.
good.
Ano ito?
Hindi ko nagustuhan yung stir fry. Ano? Parang pangit lang ng sweet and sour.
Yeah. The concept of just eating straight up fish eggs.
Pero gabi yung serving nilang laki. Hindi dami alam na ano. Siguro sabi ng mga worker, ang tatakaw ng mga to.
Hindi, Cebu. I like this a lot.
The best. Not pa kayo.
But, I mean,
Daming tao.
daming tao. Kaya, feel like we have to go early.
Tama na ba to?
Yeah.
7 minutes na ang video.
I like this. This is a 10 out of 10. Ito, like a 9. Pero kaya na makain ko like.
Okay, hindi kayo. Gawin tayo mga photos nila.
Tapos kumain tea coffee.
Yung?
Tea? You know, tea. You know,
Oh.
Why is it why? Parang gusto ko yung passion juice ulit. Salt grilled fish. Ooh. Ang sibo yung gentle woman. I like how it's built in raw. And I don't want to get unas. Grilled fish slushy. Grilled. Ooh, malaking fruit. Okay. We have, oh my god, at saka pa na. Oh. We have ice balls. Purple. There's a car behind us. There's a jelly ace.
Problem there.
There's like jelly ace. Walk. Okay. Sabi ako lang.
Ay, hindi mo boss.
Wow.
I like it.
Wala ka sa Pilipinas. Wala nga. Ayos ko. Wala pa. Mga shoes dito. Ha? Time na. Uwi na kami. Ano naman? Nakaka-vlog na kami pag-pauwi na kami.
Wala lang mo eh. Pag naman ko na kanina, kaino ka ba ito? Hindi mo na-text ka.
Nakaka. Hindi ko alam kung language na sabi natin eh. Well, there? Ah. That.
Sayang. You want more?
Alam mo, feeling ko naglalakad lang ako sa Taft or something. Alam mo, this isn't even Taft. This is like,
Why not? This not nag-open meat.
oops. I almost tripped. I don't know where we're going. Diretso ba? Or pa ganun? Ay, sa may number 1 massage pa ganun. Di ba?
Sabi niya dito naman.
O baka may shortcut dun. But I remember dyan dumaan yung tuk-tuk. Sa may... Here? Di ba? And then there's like 7-Eleven there. I don't know. I mean, it's the same.
Yeah?
I think you're in the car mode.
No. Pero mayroong daan.
Meron kaming...
After mo naman sa dyan, mayroong direction lang next to 11 lang.
Okay. There's a garbage truck. Look. We have weed. Hindi ko ako nag-smoke ng weed. Pare. There's more weed stuff.
Oh my God.
Kasi just may 7-Eleven dito. Dito na tayo mag 7-Eleven next time.
You want more?
Dito. Ay, ano ba? Bakit tanaw?
Yeah, may not yet. Nagtawag pa. Malaki to. Ayaw nga yung gano'n natin to.
Sumupunta?
No, next time na lang. Or well, we can pakawan mo natin ito ng dagtao. Yeah.
Sa may dito.
Oo, yeah.
May inuman place dito. Ay, gusto mong pumunta.
Here. Tapos mo yung beer sa 7-Eleven. Pero mag ako
May mga ano
Should
pa.
I open the other one?
Yeah.
Gusto mo na? Okay, this one. Take lang sa bato.
Masarap yan. Oh, that's green apple. Akala ko grape. Muscat or something.
Green grape.
Oh, it's green apple. Oh wait, green grape. I like us better. Wanna get one. I'm gonna compare.
Ako kanina pa natin ano yung crepe.
I like that din.
And I'm 190 meters. And we're home.
Oh yeah, dito tayo. Found our hotel.